Hello and welcome to our learning about family today. We will start here, where you are right now. So today you will be able to identify and talk about the members of the family. The vocabulary today will include mother, father, brother, grandfather, and grandmother. We will watch 2 videos to learn about the members of the family. You will play a game about the family, and finally, you will complete a short quiz. When you come to this tab, you can click Next. You will then see 2 videos to watch about the family. The first video will include the vocabulary that I mentioned earlier. The second video is more of a song, so that one's kind of fun. When you finish watching, click Next. Then you will come to the game. Click this option here to go to the Family Tree game. Click Play. You'll have to listen and click on the picture that it says. When you finish this game, you can go back to your tab of Canvas. When you finish playing the game, go back to Canvas and click Next. You will finish the lesson today with a quiz with 6 questions. You can listen to the question by clicking here and choose your answer. In question 3 and question 6, you will have to answer with a voice recording. To do this, I click this option here, the second box, Allow, and I can record my voice for my answer. So I click here, I see blah blah blah, my answer, finish, and save.
I see.
This is my answer. I continue, and I submit quiz when I'm finished. That's all we have for today. Have fun learning.